Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our number one pick is CraftZee Large Soap Making Kit. If you want a ready-made, simple, and easy to use for your soap making business, then you could choose this kit combination. The mods held well and cleaned up great. Having your own soap kit and making them at home allows you to incorporate benefits of fragrance oils and scents into your soap, while avoiding all unwanted ingredients. This soap making kit for adults, kids, and beginners is a fun hobby that you can turn into a side income by selling your work. This soap making supplies includes 2 melt and pour shea butter soap base, 2 clear soap base, 6 fragrance oils, 6 liquid dyes, dried rose petals and lavender, 1 soap cutter box, 1 silicone loaf mold, 2 silicone floral molds, 1 wavy cutter, 1 straight cutter, 1 pitcher, 10 stirring sticks, 25 wrappers, and instruction manual. With this soap making kit, you can create a natural and healthy environment for your family. You can also make your own soap and enjoy arts and crafts time with your loved ones. Aside from relieving stress, finishing a DIY project can make you feel accomplished and satisfied, and it provides you with something to be proud of. It gives you an opportunity to learn new skills and techniques. Our second best soap making kit is Innovative Ginger Soap Making Craft Kit. With simple instructions and pre-measured ingredients, crafting your own donut soaps has never been easier or more enjoyable. Perfect for adults, kids, and beginners alike, this kit provides a creative and entertaining activity for the whole family. Our donut soap making kit includes all the essential supplies for creating adorable and fragrant donut-shaped soaps right at home. Host a unique and memorable party with our donut soap making kit. It's a fantastic activity for birthdays, sleepovers, or any special occasion. This provides premium soap base, food-grade fragrances and dyes, durable molds, ensuring that your finished soaps are both beautiful and safe to use. Experiment with different colors, scents, and decorations to make each donut soap truly one of a kind. Each donut soap making kit comes with 5 adorable gift boxes, making it easy to share your handmade creations with friends and loved ones. Third in our list is Illumive Soap Making Kit. This exclusive soap making kit entails all soap making supplies needed for you to create luscious soap. Soap molds, 2 kinds of soap base, dried flowers for soap making, array of soap scents and dye liquid, soap box to place your ready soaps, loofah sponge included too. Glycerin soap, as well as shea butter soap base is included in our soap kit. These 2 melt and pour soap will allow you to create 2 exotic kinds of soap. These soap base for soap making melt and pour are top quality, ensuring to create nothing less than excellence luscious soap. Soap making done to the next level. This soap kit includes a myriad of options for you to experiment with and enjoy. There are numerous soap fragrances and dye liquid to bring your soap base to life. Have fun mixing and matching and creating your own personal soap with your signature touch. This soap making kit includes many upgrades that other soap kit do not include. Sprinkle some dried rose petals or lavender to your soap base to escalate your DIY soap to an exotic soap bars. Place some loofah sponges in our soap base. Number 4. In our best soap making kit list is EDSRDRUS DIY Soap Making Kit. Embrace a hassle-free journey into soap making with our complete kit. It's all here. From a generous 2-pound melt and pour soap base to an array of dried flowers, essential oils, pigments, molds, and even 10 elegant gift boxes and bags. No need for additional purchases. Dive right into your craft. This kit isn't just a set of supplies, it's a canvas for your imagination. Experiment with colors, scents, and designs, crafting soaps that reflect your unique style and personality. There are no boundaries. Explore, create, and enjoy the artistic freedom. Immerse yourself in the delightful world of do-it-yourself creations. Feel the joy of crafting personalized soaps, bask in the therapeutic process, and experience the satisfaction of bringing your visions to life. Our kit fosters an ambiance of creativity and fulfillment. Elevate your gifting game. Design exquisite, handmade soaps that transcend the ordinary. Whether it's for a special occasion or just to show appreciation, our kit equips you to fashion unique gifts that leave a lasting impression. Our last pick is Prime Creations Soap Making Kit. The Candle Science Kit has every tool and ingredient you need to explore soap making, all delivered in one organized box. Get to choose your personal choice of soap every day. With 4 fragrances and 4 dye colors, you can choose a different one every time. Our set includes all the parts you may need. 2 pounds of soap base, 4 captivating fragrances, 4 vibrant dye liquids, a 4-section silicone mold, 14 soap wrappers for elegant presentation, rose and lavender petals for exquisite embellishments, and craft twine. For all details on how to get creative with this soap crafting experience, read our handbook instructions before starting. Gift your loved ones with a personal touch. A few soap bars in different colors and fragrances, wrapped with a twine bow, will go a long way. Also, gift your loved ones with this amazing crafting set. They will thank you for it many times over. This soap-making supplies are available in 3 essential oils, 3 fragrance oils with 6 food-grade color too.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!